In this video, we will show you how to disable Hyper-V in Windows 11. To disable Hyper-V in Windows 11, it's very easy. First, you need to open your control panel. Just find control panel on the search button. Okay. After you find the control panel, just click open. And make sure your view is by category to the same. Because if your view like this, maybe you are confused. Just back into the category like this. And then choose programs. After you click programs, select programs and features. Make sure to click here. After that, you can click turn Windows features on or off. Just click here. After that, you will see there is Hyper-V features. You need to untick this. Okay. After that, you can click OK. And make sure when you expand, it is also unchecked. Because if it is checked, you can see it's all is checked. You need to uncheck here and make sure the folder inside is also unchecked. After that, you can click OK. And you need to wait until this process is complete and you need to restart your PC. Okay. You can click restart now. After that, your Hyper-V will be completed is disabled. And that's all tutorial how to disable Hyper-V in Windows 11. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.